This good boy just got backed into a corner by the neighborhood's most ruthless outlaw.
Meow.
Look at his face. Don't move, buddy.
This yellow lab just committed the ultimate crime on national television.
I got this!
Yeah, boy.
This orange cat thinks he's a 200-pound MMA fighter. Sir, please step away and release the cat's head immediately. Smash subscribe right now because #1 is pure unhinged chaos. Hands where I can see them. We got a soda thief on the loose.
Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch!